Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about field level security in Salesforce. So let's proceed by understanding what does we mean by field level security in Salesforce. So we try to understand with the help of an example. Just imagine the Salesforce has a big database where you store a lot of information in this database, and you have a different object which act like a folder in it, and you organize different or similar type of information in this folder. Each of the object, or you can say folder, has its own details, act as a field. So think of these fields as a piece of data in those folders, and this field level security is like having a lock on some of the piece of information that is very confidential, and you are not allowed to give access to any of one. So basically, it is a feature in Salesforce that lets administrator to decide who get to see or change a specific piece of data in those folders. Basically, this field level security in Salesforce is a feature that allow the administrator to control the access to individual field on an object for a different profiles and permission set. In addition, this field level security scares the visibility of a fields across the entire Salesforce application from the related list and the list view to report and research result. For example, let's say you have a folder for a customer information, and inside that folder you have a detail of a customer phone number or a salary, and this field level security allows the administrator to decide which employee or which profile can see or change those specific details, or can delete the details or create new details. Basically, this way the sensitive information or confidential information can private, and the only right person that have access to the information can access it. In general, it's all about the protection, the sensitive data, nothing else. Field level security ensure that only authorized user can view or edit the specific field on a record. And beyond the security, it play an important role in maintaining the data integrity also. It's not about the security of the data, it's also about the data integrity. And by controlling who can assess what in Salesforce, the field level security contribute to a clear and accurate data in Salesforce. When we talk about the implementation of the field level security, you can apply it on a multiple field, on a single profile or a permission set, or even you can apply it on a single field access across all profiles. So now let's proceed and learn the different way how we can assess the field level security in Salesforce. Commonly, there are two ways of setting up field level security permission. First one is profile and the second one is permission set. Profiles in Salesforce define what a user can do within the application. Field level security is a set at the profile level, meaning that the administrator can control which field user with a specific profile can read or edit it. And the permission set, here the permission set are the additional layer of permission that can be assigned to the user in addition to their profile. They are used to grant access to fields without changing the user profile. Always remember one thing, that you can grant permission to only custom fields in Salesforce. You can only give additional permission to user, but we cannot restrict the permission which are already given to the user at their profile level, and they can only be assigned to the user, not to the profiles. Now proceed and discuss how we set up the field level security for profiles in Salesforce. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce org, and here I open my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in the Lightning Edition, and then I click on the gear icon and click on the setup option. Now enter the profiles in the quick find box that is present on the left side, and click on the profiles. You can see our profile option is present under the user. Select the profiles for which you want to set up the field level security from the list of the profiles by clicking on the name of the profiles. And here you can see our profile page is open. Now select the profiles from here. Now our profile page is open. Now scroll down and here I am going to select the event manager profile. So I click on this event manager profile and our profile event manager page is open. Here the user with this profile have the permission and page layout listed below. Administrator can change a user profile by editing that user personal information. If your organization uses the record type, use the edit link in the record type settings section below to make one or more record type available to the users with this profile. So now scroll down and here are the profile details, and here we can see the field level security section, and under this section lots of fields are present, and here I select the contact field level security. So I am going to search for the contact field level security. Here is the contact field level security and I am going to click on the view option, and our contact field level security for profile event manager page is open. Now I click on the edit button and here you can see the list of the fields, and to grant and revoke the access of the field level security, check and uncheck the access checkbox respectively to the field read access and edit access. Here the read access allows the user to view the fields but not make any changes. And here edit access allows the user to edit the field, and here I uncheck the edit access of the birth date and only check the read access, because here read access allow the user to view the field but not make any changes. And the another field I am going to uncheck email field, and I am going to uncheck this edit access of this field also, and then hit the save button. And here we come back to our contact field level security for the profile event manager page. Now we will proceed and discuss how we set up field level security through permission set in Salesforce. Again, log into your Salesforce account and then enter the permission set in the quick find box that is present on the left side, and this permission set is present under the users. Click on this permission set. The permission set page is open. On this page you can create, view and manage the permission sets. Now click on the name of the custom permission set in which you want to set the field level security. So scroll down and here I click on the event management developer permission set, and our event manager developer permission set page is open. Now scroll down, here is a app section, and under this section we can see the object setting option is present. Permission to access the objects and fields and settings such as a tab availability. So click on this object settings. Now it will show you the list of the objects in the Salesforce. Choose the object whose field level security you want to set up by clicking on its name. Now here I want to select the context. So I scroll down and search for the context object, and here is my contact object. Click on this contact object and then click on the edit button, and our event management developer page comes into the edit mode. Now scroll down and here you can see the field permissions. Now here click on the edit button and our event management developer permission sets comes into the edit mode. And now scroll down and here you can see the field permissions section is present, and here I will give the access to the birth date. So I click on the checkbox. You can see both the checkbox are checked, read access and the edit access. Now scroll down, I give one more access to the email. So I check this checkbox also and then hit the save button. I want to explain you one thing, that the permission set grant the additional access to the object. So with this we have learned how to set up the field level security through permission set in Salesforce. So with this we have learned about Salesforce field level security. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.